design number 1. Its perspective is well accented with bricks, plus the color choice, how the architect makes it unique, elegant, and inspiring. This house design is built in a land size of 16 meters by 14 meters or more, and of course, it is divided into several compartments of 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a kitchen, dining room, and a spacious living room. It has also equipped with parking space for your car. Plan to grab this design because it has only an estimated budget of $76,000. House design number 2. This box-shaped 2-story house plan is designed with mud colors, which provides an aesthetic and relaxing blend. It is also equipped with shuttered glass windows along its sides. To examine this, it has a living area of 95 square meters in a land size of 9 meters by 13 meters or more. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living room plus a single kitchen and dining section. The estimated construction budget for this one is $34,000. House design number 3. This 2-story house plan has an eye-catching glassy perspective. The design creates a very welcoming and modern characteristic. Think about and plan for it because it is also constructed with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a single kitchen, and a dining section. Aside from its spacious living room, it has also equipped with 1 storage room and a parking area for a maximum of 2 cars and a single restroom. This house plan is designed with a living area of 205 square meters and a 14 by 14 meters size of land. House design number 4. White and woody colors are such common. See how the architect and engineer designed it. It's really different but appealing. It seems like 2 different divisions, but it is indeed a 2-story house design perfect for your family. This house plan is composed of 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and single living room. It has also spacious kitchen and dining section. The living area is estimated to have 209 square meters in a 14 by 14 meters land size. The estimated budget for its construction is $70,000. House design number 5. This house design is such a classy with modern style approach. Aside from its cozy balconies, its well-framed glassy windows and doors provides emphasis to its relaxing white facade. This is enough for your family having 10 to 12 members because it has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1 multi-purpose room, and a relaxing hall upstairs. In addition, it also has kitchen and reserve room for your small guests. According to its plan, it has a living area of 220 square meters in 15 by 14 meters land size. The construction budget is more or less $75,000. House design number 6. The prominent boxy-style approach is trending nowadays. This 2-story house plan is well furnished with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a single kitchen, and a dining section. It has also equipped with a single hall and a living room for your guests and of course a parking space enough for 2 cars as well. The house plan has a living area of 179 square meters in 14 meters by 15 meters size of land. The estimated construction budget for this one is $56,000. House design number 7. This house plan could be one of your best favorites. Aside from its beautiful and luxurious look, it has a fully placement of rooms which comes a variety of functions, enough for the dwellers and guests. This house plan is designed with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a single living room, kitchen, and also dining area. In addition, it has also equipped with a single office room, 2 restrooms, a parking lot, and of course, an extra storage room. The construction budget for this one is $83,000. House design number 8. Consider this as one of your best options for building your ideal house design. The color choice offers soothing feeling to the viewers. Aside from its external appeal, this house is also designed with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living and dining area as well as kitchen and wash yard. It has also cozy balcony on its perspective. Enjoy its comfortable space because it has a spacious living area of 142 square meters in 11 by 14 meters size of land. If you are interested, the estimated construction budget for this one is $50,000. House design number 9. It has an eye-catching layout with perfect framed glassy doors and windows on its perspective. This would also one of your ideal house for your family consisting of maximum of 10 members. This design is consist of 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a single kitchen with dining section, and a single living room as well as restrooms upstairs. The plan has an estimated living area of 180 square meters in 13 by 14 meters size of land. The construction budget for this 2-story house is $60,000.
Rooms and 2 bathrooms. This house can be built in a minimum land size of 17 by 16 square meters with a construction budget of 1.59 million baht. Building a small house requires fewer resources, and so does maintaining it. Less space, less stuff, less waste, and that ultimately benefits all of us. House number 2, just like house number 1. This house design has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but a little bigger with a minimum land size needed of 20 by 18 square meters. The construction budget for this small but beautiful home is 1.98 million baht. House design number 3. A big house can be overwhelming. Sometimes a large room can feel empty. So choose a design that fit the needs of the family. Just like this house with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. A practical choice for a small family. Minimum land size requires for the construction of this house is 17 by 14 square meters with a budget estimates of 1.8 million baht. House design number 4. This house has an estimated budget of 1.5 million to 2 million baht, considered to be an elegant small house with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This house can be built in a homelet with a size of 19 by 17 square meters. House design number 5. It's easier to keep a small house clean. So if you have a house like this that has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, there is a big possibility of less clutter and lower maintenance. Minimum land size for this house is 17 by 17 square meters with an estimated budget of 2.5 million baht. House design number 6. You don't have to spend all your money on buying a house you can hardly pay for. Get a smaller, more affordable house just like this one. It has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with a minimum land size of 19 by 15 square meters. The estimated cost of building this beautiful home is 1.6 million baht. House design number 7. This house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a minimum land size of 24 by 17 square meters. The estimated cost of building this house is 1.5 to 2 million baht. If you have a smaller house, it means you can spend less on utilities and other expenses. Perfect! House design number 8. A beautiful contemporary home designed to have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The construction budget for this modern home is 1.5 million to 2 million baht. You need to have at least 17 by 18 square meters homelet to build this one. House design number 9. With a construction budget of 1.7 million baht, this house is practical for small homelet and small families. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, while the required land size for this one is 17 by 19 square meters. House design number 10. Another small house design you can choose from if you are looking for a small and beautiful home design. This house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with an estimated budget of 1.9 million baht. It requires a minimum land size of 18 by 15 square meters. These houses are designed by Tawichai Perfect Builders, and here are more designs to consider.